Still on exercise 3, then we're doing the remaining number 4 and number 5. Let's go number 4. Laeka takes out a loan to buy a car. She pays 2,250 every 6 months towards her loan for the next 4 full years, starting immediately. That is 9 payments, right? Okay, it says 9 payments. I'll explain that. How much can she borrow if the interest charged is 12% per annum compounded? Yeah. Okay, remember from when we were doing number 1, number 2, number 3, I said something about if you see the word loan or the question has something to do with the loan, the transaction, whatever you can call it, just know you're using this formula. P equals to X. This is where X is the monthly payments. 1 minus 1 plus I the interest or the nominal interest over I. Okay, so the given information, X is monthly payments every 6 months. Oh, not actually monthly payments, or the payments he makes it. Hey, now my English data is running out. Okay, I 0.12, where did I get it? 12 over 100 over 2. Why over 2? Component half yearly, semi-annually, the other way. Then now N. If you check, it says for how long? For 4 full years. So in 4 full years, how many times are you going to pay? That is 4 times. He pays 2 times each year. True. This is 8. And I know there is 9 payments there. But wait for now. Wait. Each year he paid 2 times. Wait. Then let us go here. P equals to X 250 1 minus 1 plus I 0.12 over 2 times negative 8 over I 0.12 over 2. P equals to P equals to the on your calculator 13,972 comma 0.03604. Okay, now they said it is 9 payments. So what is this other payment? The 9th payment is probably on the last day. Maybe she paid today and then took out the loan, so that didn't affect the, like, it didn't have the interest. If maybe she collected on the 2nd of March, she also paid that last payment on that same day. So you add that payment to. Hey guys, if you have a better explanation, put it on the link below. You don't have to criticize. Just explain it and put it there. Then I will also learn from you. Okay, 0.4. But otherwise, this is how it is. Yep. Okay, the last one, number 5. Abraham buys a car for 163,500. He pays 10% deposit and settles the rest of his debt with quarterly payments of over 5 years, started in 3 months' time. Calculate the value of his quarterly payments if interest on loan is charged at a rate of 12% per annum compounded quarterly. Okay. Oh, he buys a car and he's paying 10% deposit. Okay, which means the loan is the 90% of 163,500. Yes, this is where the percentage comes from here, because he paid the 10%, so he's remaining with 90%. Let's try it. So how much is the loan? 160, and that loan is P 163 what? 500. 163,500 multiplied by 10%, and we're going to subtract this value. So once from, okay, times 10 percent, it gives us 16,350, and we subtract it from because this it is paid here. So he paid that amount and he's left with I'm trying to say P equals to, he's left with 147 150 to pay. This is his loan. So okay, then his debt is quarterly payments. So he's paying 4 times in each year over 5 years. Over 5 years, starting in 3 months time. Oh, it's not starting immediately. So we don't have this situation where the payments are 9, but when we calculate, we got 8. So we don't have that situation in this case because he didn't start to pay immediately. So N, so we already wrote P. N equals to 5. He's paying 4 times each year, so it's 5 times, so that is 20. Joko. Okay, I equals to the interest charge on the loan is 13%. So I is 13% quarterly, so 0.13 over 4. Where is 0.13 from? 13 over 100. Because it's 0.13. Why over 4? Because it's 4 times in each year. Then what are we calculating? Are we calculating monthly payments? Yeah, his quarterly payments instead of monthly payments. Wow. Okay. Then the formula P equals to X. You open up 1 minus 1 plus I to the negative n, close over I. E equals to, oh, not P, sorry. We have P. Let's make X the subject. X equals to P. Everything in bracket. Divide both sides by, to divide on this side, which is the left, but now it's becoming the right. 1 minus 1 plus I to the negative n. Everything is over I. X equal to, what is the loan? P. This is the loan. 147 150 147,150. Yeah. Hey. 1 minus 1 plus I 0.13 over 4 to the negative chalk negative 20. Okay, over. Hey, don't make a mistake and leave the negative because it affects the answer a lot. Big time. Over 4. X equals to, hit your calculator. 147 150 over open bracket division 1 minus 1 plus 0.13 over 4 close to the negative 20 over 0.13 over 4. Very close. So you get 10,120.81 cents. The last question, 5.2. This was 5.1, by the way. Then 5.2. Calculate how much interest he pays on his loan. Remember the formula of interest. Interest earned equals to the loan minus, no, I can't use this one. Let me use L. Loan minus the payments. Then the loan 147 150, right? Yeah, 147,150. There's no com. He doesn't want to cancel, but yeah, minus the payments 10 120.8. That thing of that remember that situation of rounding off. How many times did he? 8 times, right? Or 20 times, so not 8 times. 20 times. He paid 20 times. So instead of pressing, then just save the answer here in your calculator. Then on your calculator you are pressing 147 150 minus your open bracket, you press that function answer, then you multiply by 20, and then that gives you 5 266.26. Did I do something wrong here, Hans? I was supposed to say the payment minus the loan. Seems like this thing works when you say payments minus the loan. Okay. Yeah, because it gives us a negative answer, and it can't be negative. Or did I make a mistake? It's supposed to be payments minus loan. Oh yeah, it makes sense. This one has to be bigger than this one. Yeah, that's true. Because the loan, let's say if you check out a loan of, oh yeah, the payment has to be bigger than the loan. Yeah, it makes sense. Like if you check out a loan of 10 rand and then you pay as 15 rand. Yeah, see your payments made 15 rand and the loan was 10. Yeah, it makes sense to say payments minus loan. Otherwise the answer is fine, but let's just change here. It is the payments minus the loan. The payments are more. And remember 10, yeah, 0.81. Hey, we must also use logic, guys, and to make a mistake is not a crime. 147 150, yes, and it gives you that. Thanks. Let us do exercise. We're on exercise 3 right now. We are going to exercise 4. Let's go to exercise 4 on page 72. Remember, I'm using this book. Where is this? This is the book on page 72. Thanks.